besties, and thank you so much for being here today. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay. I love makeup, skincare, beauty in general, but more than anything, just hanging out with you guys no matter what we're doing. And if you're not new, hey bestie, thank you so much for being here with me and continuously supporting me and my channel. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a Boxycharm unboxing video. So we're gonna be doing the Boxycharm base box unboxing for August, and I'm really excited about it. I can't believe we're already in August, but I'm not even gonna continue to say that every month because I swear I literally hear myself do that and I'm like, girl, you said that last month and last month and last month, but it's just because the year is going by so quickly. But I guess it just happens like that, especially like as I'm getting older. Like I'm about to be 22 in December. But anyways, you guys, let's jump right into the box. First of all, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, basically it is a beauty box subscription where you spend $27.99 and then you get 5 full-size beauty products, which usually the box does retail over $100, usually even over $150. Typically I've been seeing around like $150. That seems to be the sweet spot. But last month we got even more bang for our buck, so hopefully that happens this month as well. So without further ado, let's jump in. I will also have all of my makeup on my face right now in the description box below, as well as my affiliate link if you do want to sign up for Boxycharm. That just helps support the channel, but if you do not want to use that, you could just go straight to their website and that is the same exact thing. And yeah, you guys, let's jump in. I don't know, I think I'm crazy, but I feel like if you're a coffee lover, you might resonate with me. But I'm looking at this theme card and it's dusk till dawn, but I swear it's making me want a macchiato. I want to run to Starbucks. I want to get a cup of coffee. That's the vibes this is giving. But this is the theme box for this month. You already know the drill with that. And then on the other side, we have all of the descriptions and we also have the price points of each product. Okay, so the first product we have is from the brand OPV Beauty. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but a few months back we did get a powder from them that I have tested out twice now, and I do think it's pretty good. It's $34 and it's the Glow Perfect Face Palette. So this is what she looks like. All black, very sleek. I do love that. And let's go ahead and open it up. Ooh, it says up to 15-hour wear on the back. But in the ingredients, it says talc, mica, silica. I don't know if I'm wrong, but isn't talc like a no-no when it comes to makeup? I don't know. I'm not like an ingredient buff, but from what I have heard, I feel like talc is not the best thing, but you guys will have to let me know about that. Some ASMR. So satisfying. Ooh, okay. So I always say I love the packaging so freaking much. There's my camera. I just think it's so beautiful, and it's kind of like that Patrick Ta palette I have. The second one, I think it's like Rose Dimension or something like that, where it's like a mirror, but it's really beautiful and it's giving. You guys, that just got all over my carpet. That's just fantastic, you guys. Okay, so apparently we have like a really deep bronzer. We have what looks like a highlighter blush situation, and then another highlighter blush situation. This could have just been a highlight, but like who knows with what I got left over. Let me go ahead and read the description. It's definitely not Boxycharm's fault by any means. It just happens, unfortunately, sometimes, especially for me when you're getting new products like every single day. It's totally just something that comes with the territory. I was just super excited to play with it, but I was thinking, what if it fell on the floor because I shouldn't use it because it had the talc in it? I was talking bad about the talc. I open it up and it breaks. So is that a sign? Let me go ahead and read the description though. As part of the new Glow Perfect collection, this multi-purpose face palette contains a magical trio of highlighter, bronzer, and a blusher, proving to be the perfect multifunctional beauty kit. In true OPV beauty style, Glow Perfect colors are heavily pigmented, which allows them to readily pop on the skin. Each formula delivers shade longevity and will stay put for the duration of the day following application. So really beautiful claims. I love that this is a new launch, but they're bringing it into the Boxycharm. I just wish one of my shades wouldn't have broken. But again, like I said, I don't know much about ingredients, but I know I have heard that talc sometimes can be a no-no, so maybe that's why that happened to me. Y'all, when they said this stuff is pigmented, they were not telling any lies and they were not playing any games. Look at that full pigment with just one swatch in the palette. Beautiful. The only thing is I probably won't be using the bronzer shade. It just looks really dark for me, so I don't know, you guys, maybe just like strategically like right in here, but other than that, I don't know, it just looks like very deep for my fair skin. That's the only thing about it. Then moving to our most expensive product from the brand Larousse Beauty. It's $50, you guys, 50 buckaroonies, and this is what it looks like. I will say the packaging of the brush holder is very nice. It has like this pop out design that's very bougie. I think the product in general, at least the holder I mean, is very nice. It has a good feel to it. Like when you touch it, you're like, ooh, what is that? I do enjoy that about it. I will say I've never heard of the brand Larousse Beauty, so if you have, let me know down below, because I literally have no recollection of this brand at all, like zero. So let me know if you've tried it before and if you do recommend it. But this is what the brushes do look like. Let me just grab out this one right here, which looks like it would be good for blush. Ooh. So usually brushes like this can be a little bit more rough because it's like a stippling. You stipple the blush. It does feel pretty rough, so let me touch another one. But I do love the design on the handle. Very nice. Okay, so yeah, this brush just feels like that because of the type of brush it is and what it's used for. This one, on the other hand, feels super soft on my hand, and I would usually use a brush like this for, you know, either blush or definitely to get in there for some contour. So I'm very excited about this one. This is the LR304 angle. So very excited about this one. Then we have the LR100 concealer brush. I personally usually use a brush like this for concealing or for adding on a shimmer, just depending on the day. But usually I do use this for like cutting the crease. Next up we have the LR120 tapered blending brush. That is exactly how I would describe this one. Just use it to work it into the crease and diffuse any look. Also feels pretty nice. And then the LR110 shadow brush, which looks like this. So all in all, each brush, it's gonna come down to about $10. So I feel like that's pretty good. Me personally, I don't really use blush brushes like this. I am gonna use the absolute mess out of this one. This one I probably could have went without. It's nice to have, but I have so many of these in my collection already. This one I'm very happy to get because it's going to be perfect for blending. This one, you can't get enough concealer brushes if you ask me to cut the crease. So I'm happy with that one as well. I also just really love the handles on all of these brushes. It does kind of go with the brush holder vibe. And the only reason I'm not reading the description on that product is because literally it just goes over what every single brush is for, which is what we just did together. And it also says the cup is Graphite Petite Rennie, if you were curious. I don't know. The next thing we have is from the brand Girlactik, and it's their Metallic Eye Sparkle Shadow. Didn't we just get like a duo from them, or was that like another brand? I don't know. But that is $20, and this one is in the shade Glam. So let's go ahead and open her up. Yeah, like I feel like we just got something super similar like last month. Let me know if I'm wrong. This is very reflective, and I have to say I freaking love the color. The last time I got like a shadow like this, I got a metallic and then I got a matte. The matte was brown, which was okay, and then for the shimmer, I got more of like an orangey tone, which isn't bad by any means. But I just prefer a shade like this when it comes to metallics. I feel like I get more use out of something like this, so I am very happy about it. I also feel like I just need to wear it throughout the day to give more information because number one, is it gonna flake on me throughout the day? Is it going to transfer really weird in this area right here, like in the crease when I look up and down? Is there gonna be that really odd line that I am just not a big fan of? Is it going to layer well? Just a whole bunch of different questions. I'm super excited to try it though and add it to the collection because even from over here, like I know you guys see that, and imagine it on the lids. Did I already say the price of this? $20, and it says velvety and easily blendable. This metallic cream shadow formula creates high reflex sparkling finish, easy to apply, blends easily, and wears all day. So I'll keep you updated on if those claims are true, but if they are, I'm gonna be very happy. Then from the brand Kveen Studio, we have the Bow Down Brow Glue. You can laugh at me in the comments if you want because I'm laughing at myself. I hope I'm saying the name right. It's Kveen. Super cute. It says command your brows with this easy to use, non-sticky, flake resistant, super long lasting, transparent formula. It stays in place for 16 plus hours. Natural finish that works on any brow color. Armed with a baby spoolie applicator, sweep and shape your eyebrows to perfection. $16 if I didn't already say it. And look at this little baby guy. So cute. Very cute packaging on this as well. I can't say much about it because I've never tried this or anything from this brand before, but I can show you the cute little spoolie. Very cute. And let me see if it has any color. Yeah, I don't see any color, so it's pretty much clear. Ooh, yep, right here it says transparent brow glue. And then from the brand Beauty for Certain, which we actually just got a mascara from them last month that I have not tried yet, we have their Beauty for Certain Deluxe Lipstick for $18. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. Pretty pink and orange. I love that combination. Maybe I'll do like an orange and pink eye look tomorrow. Ooh, and this is what the packaging looks like inside. This is really beautiful and hot for like summer. I love orange and pink. Ooh, okay. This is a really beautiful lip color. Should I put it on top of what I have going on? Let's try it. So this color is really freaking beautiful. It's such a nice pink. I will say with the product, I'm so happy it's not one of those traditional Boxycharm lip colors. Y'all know what I'm talking about, or maybe you don't, but usually when it comes to Boxycharm, I get like a really beautiful wine color, which that's nice and everything, but sometimes I want like a nude, a nudie pink, a pink, you know, maybe like a even brown or something. So I'm happy that we got something different with this, and I'm gonna say it, this is probably one of the things I'm most excited about in the whole entire box. So let's go ahead and read the claims, but very beautiful formula for sure. So we obviously have to wear it throughout the day, see how it wears and things like that, but overall first impression, really nice. It says Beauty for Certain Deluxe Lipstick. Generate, originate, choose only the finest BFC's long-lasting deluxe lipstick. Delivers that extra matte finish, silky smooth application, and a velvety texture that you love. It does feel pretty velvety, but I will say it doesn't look like super matte. I think that's because I had a lip oil underneath, so that's what happens sometimes. It can kind of mess with the formulation, but really beautiful nonetheless. And again, something I am probably most excited about. So I'm gonna go ahead and count up every single item, and I'll be right back with the overall total. For you, it'll be right away, but for me, I'm gonna use my calculator and I'll be right back. And the total of the box ended up being $138, which I can't complain too much. I mean, it's definitely less than last month, but we did get some really nice goodies. I'm gonna go ahead and rank all of the products I did get. I love to do this at the end of every month, and if you also got a Boxycharm, comment with me what thing were you the most excited about and what thing were you the most, you know? I just think that that's always such a fun thing to do between us. So number one for me, I'm gonna say the Christine set from Larousse Beauty. I love the holder, I love the handles, I love how soft the bristles feel on these brushes. And honestly, I've been saying like so much lately that I need to get new brushes because I've been putting off cleaning mine, but I'm really happy to have this. So I'm gonna say number one, hands down. $50 too, like good gosh, I don't know if I would pay that, but yeah. Number two, I would say, is the BFC lipstick, the deluxe lipstick. Really beautiful formula. I love the look it gives my lips, super nice. So I'm gonna say number two, plus it's not that traditional Boxycharm color, that wine or burgundy, so I love this too. Number three would be the Girlactik metallic shadow, which is beautiful in the shade Glam. I'm so excited to try this. Number four would have to be the brow glue from the brand Kveen. Again, I hope I'm saying that right, just because I actually don't have a lot of products like this in my collection, so very excited about that. And then number five is going to be the OPV Beauty London palette, just because again, I really can't use the bronzer shade. This shade is missing, and this is the only one that I can use, which just obviously makes it less exciting. Now, if I did have this shade too, it might be higher up on the list, but unfortunately I don't, and plus I don't know about the ingredients in here. I love their packaging though. So yeah, besties, that was my August Boxycharm base box unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff. It really helps me out, and I will see you in the next one, besties. Bye!